would you like to go next? Hi, guys. Jamie, would you like to go next?
We're Skyping with other classes from the United States.
East Texas, and I have Tyler, Wyatt, I have Adrian, Eric, I have Colton down here, I have Mrs. Odom, I have Jennifer, Brittany, and Jocelyn, and our principal, Mrs. Fitzpatrick. Oh, I'm sorry, and Alice.
Will by the people, for the people shall not perish from the earth.